Hey there, you've got two kidneys. They're working right now 24/7 without lunch breaks. So how do you thank them? By feeding them junk and ignoring your pee? Rude. Rule number 1. Give your kidneys water. Not soda, not bubble tea. Real, honest-to-goodness H2O. Hydration tastes like life. Next, stop feeding them salty, greasy food that belongs in a villain origin story. Hop on, I'm your leafy green hero. Using painkillers every day for no reason? That's like making your kidneys do math without a calculator. Too many numbers. Move your butt. Your kidneys love when you exercise. It's like a party for your insides. I'm swole and clean. And for the love of bladders everywhere, go to the bathroom when you need to. Don't make your bladder write a breakup letter to your kidneys. Take care of your kidneys. They're not just beans inside you. They're hard-working, pee-filtering legends. Drink water, eat smart, move around, and for goodness sake, let it flow. Protect your kidneys. They'll return the favor, like comment and subscribe, or the kidneys might strike again.